Yo, what's good people, it's J Cactus, and in today's video, I can finally announce the 75k giveaway. So once again, this is the biggest ever giveaway that I've hosted. I've got over $4,500 worth of prizes to give out, and for this one, I've teamed up with Adam Audio. Adam Audio are literally the goats when it comes to audio. They made the T8Vs that I've been using for the past few months. So yeah, I'm real excited to give away a pair of these. I think whoever wins them is just gonna love them. But yo, before I get into the prizes, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that's been supporting the channel. Like, to hit 75k this fast is just mad, and the amount of love that you guys show is just crazy. So of course I wanted to give back to everyone. So yeah, much love to everyone that's been watching the videos, liking them, commenting on them, buying kits, or just getting the free ones, getting involved in the Discord, the beat battles, like everything, man. So for the giveaway, there's going to be 3 winners, but I wanted to make sure that everyone could at least get something. So in the video, I'm going to go through all of the prizes, and then I'm going to cook up a loop, which is going to be free for everyone to download. When I asked everyone in the Discord what kind of loop they wanted, most people voted for something dark UK style. So that's the vibe I'm going to go with today. And yeah, to actually enter the giveaway, all you need to do is click the link in the description. It's really simple. It's completely free to enter. You don't need to submit anything. It's not any kind of beat battle. But if you want to double your chances of winning, then head over to my Instagram, which is at jcactusmusic, and you'll see my recent post with all the details on there. So yeah, huge shout out to Adam Audio and everyone else that got involved with prizes, and huge shout out to you guys for showing non-stop love and support. So let's get into the prizes. Alright, so the first place winner will receive a pair of Adam Audio T8V monitors, exactly the same ones that I've been using. They'll get Heat Up 3 Ultimate Edition, which comes with a hard drive that's packed with over 270 gigabytes worth of presets. They'll get every kit that I've released, so that's 4 drum kits, loop kits, one-shot kits, and everything else. They'll also receive the Producer Edition of FL Studio, a copy of Enforcer by Boom Library, the Orchestra Essentials by Sonoscore and Best Service, Lift FX by Boom Library, Captain plugins along with Mixed in Key Studio Session, plus the Beats plugin and Odyssey, Elements by Ocean, Analog Colors by Prod by Jack, Drive Shaper by Cable Guys, Hypnosis by LLB, the Digital Wax Bundle by Sound Oracle, a custom mousepad plus a DAW shortcut sticker sheet by Lario, 808 Science by Busyworks Beats, the Drum Collection 2 by Cavan Dignam, and the Evicted Sample Pack by Dixon Beats and Error. Alright, so the second place winner is also going to receive the Heat Up 3 Ultimate Edition by Initial Audio. They're also going to get every single one of my packs, so all my drum kits, loop kits, and one-shot kits. They'll receive a free copy of FL Studio Producer Edition, another Captain plugins bundle with Beat, Odyssey, and Mixed in Key Studio Edition, Drive Shaper by Cable Guys, a custom mousepad, and a DAW sticker shortcut sheet, both by Lario. The third place winner is also going to get a copy of FL Studio Producer Edition. They're going to get all the J Cactus packs too, so once again, my drum kits, loop kits, one-shot kits, any other packs that I've got. They're also going to receive the Captain plugins bundle, so again with Beat, Odyssey, and Mixed in Key Studio Edition. They're going to get Drive Shaper by Cable Guys, and once again, they'll get a custom mousepad and a DAW sticker shortcut sheet by Lario. So yeah, some crazy stuff to give out, over $4,500 worth of prizes. So make sure you enter this one. It's completely free. You don't need to submit anything. The link is in the description, and yeah, let's get into cooking up the loop. Alright, so most people voted for a dark UK style loop, so yeah, I'm thinking I'll start with a piano, maybe add a pad in there. I'll just see what I can find. And I've chosen a different piano this time. I'm gonna go with a Spitfire one. Yo, that actually sounds cold straight away. That was just the first idea that came to mind. And they need some halftime on it. And I'm just going to strum them a tiny bit. It already sounds like it's got some kind of strum in there. You know what, the counter melody, I could add that to a separate channel. Alright, what I'm going to do is just render out the chords, because I want to make this a bit more interesting, and then maybe reverse the next section. Maybe double time this. Actually, just that by itself sounds sick. Maybe not pitched up as much though. Let's just drop it down one. Yeah, that sounds hard. I think this will be a good foundation still. I know I'm going to want some bounce on this, so I'm going to add sidechain. But what might sound better is if I bring this down, make this one unique, have one down octave and then one up. And then just blend them in together. Maybe just have that. Maybe I could link that to this channel. Alright, so I've added this violin as a bit of a counter melody, and then I sent that to the piano reverse bus because it's got RC20 on it and the EQ and shaper box, so same things I needed for the violin. And I'm thinking maybe a koto. I think this might sound sick. Kind of want the last note to fall on B, so I'm thinking I might need the bass koto to get that note. Yeah, it sounds kind of hard, but I wonder what it sounds like in that same bus, so it's got the same effects. And maybe turn it down. Yeah, I think that sounds sick. Just adds a little something. Alright, the next thing I'm going to add is just this pad. I might start with one down octave. This is just going to be faint in the background, just to add a bit of texture. And then move it up to this one. So I'm just using B because B is the root note. It might sound good here. Yeah. So you can barely hear it, but it just adds a bit of texture. Just add in another koto just to balance things out. Bring this one down octave. And the last thing I'm going to do is just copy the violin and then paste it into this choir. Yeah, I think that sounded cold. And this might be it. I don't want to go too wild with this one. But that choir, I might not have the choir play at the same time as the violin, because it gets a bit lost. Yeah, there we go. So let's just arrange this real quick. And the way I'm going to arrange it is, let's just start with maybe the piano. Yeah, like that. And then when it drops, maybe it could play this. Take the choir out. So this could be a hook here. And then when it gets to this section, I'm going to take this out. Take the piano bass out. Could actually take everything out. Oh, let's bring the choir in. Just start off really simple. Maybe bring this in here. And then have the bass of the piano and the choir come in. Yeah, I think this could turn out mad, whoever's adding drums to it. So yeah, then maybe in this section, I could just take the violin out. And then have a bit of a pre-hook here. and then everything can come back in. So yeah, a bit of a bridge here. And then it can come back into the hook. Yeah, this is sounding cold. I can hear drums on this already, but I'm gonna save it. I'm not gonna add drums today because I want to hear what everyone else comes up with. Alright, so this is the loop that I'm going to give you. I'll leave a link to it in the description. And if you're not in my Discord, then I highly recommend you joining. The link to that is in the description too. I think I'm going to be using this loop for a beat battle in that Discord, which is separate to the giveaway. But yeah, if you want to get involved, I'll be announcing that soon. So I hope you like the video. I hope you like the look of all the prizes. And I hope you like the free loop that I cooked up. And once again, to enter the giveaway, the link is in the description. But if you want to double your chances of winning, then head over to my Instagram at jcactusmusic and read my recent post with all the details. So yeah, huge shout out to everyone once again for all of the support. Thank you to Adam Audio and all of the other sponsors for getting involved in the giveaway. I'm going to be announcing the winners in 2 weeks time, so it's going to be the 14th of October. So make sure you keep a lookout for my Instagram post, keep a lookout for my emails. Good luck to everyone who's entering the giveaway, and yeah, thank you all for watching once again, and I'll see you next time.